Listen well and listen close, for I, Vention, have a plan to escape this workshop once and for all.
Escape the workshop? How are we supposed to do that?
Oh, I'll tell you what, we're gonna make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't allowed to leave, for Zorro traps us here within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me.
Shadow crystal poison becomes me, sir.
Be free, we don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Vention, don't tell me you're going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whaill.
No one cares, Vention, about you. Cut it out, guys. I'm just eating my Taco Bell. I'm hearing this for a family-friendly game. Oh, such an insult.
Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he trods. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell, but this is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see, this is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison, this is only where we'll be. Truly free, down in the workshop. This all better stop. There's no going to the top, for you will all be caught down in the workshop.
You think you can falter me? Well, soon you'll all look up to me.
No.
Soon when we're free, down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
No.